disease demo. So first things first, after you've gone in the field, use the Aerobotics app to set up your pest traps. You will then guide to the platform where you'll go to the Pest and Disease tab. So here you can filter either on a date range, on a farm level. You can filter for a specific block, or you can filter for a specific pest. Once you've applied your filters, you will see the pest findings per week in a table format, as well as a graph where you will see your flight peaks for your specific pest, or your trap count peaks for a specific pest. This can also be seen on a very interactive map where you will see whether the trap has been checked, whether it's over the threshold or whether it's under the threshold. So in this case, you can see all the traps, apart from one, have been checked and they are under the threshold. If anywhere above the threshold, they would have been indicated with this red diamond and the exclamation mark. If anything was found in the field, it would also pop up as a button that was found in the field, where whether it's a note, a photo, or just a mere Mediterranean fruit fly count will be shown as seen. From here, any of the data can be exported in either Excel or CSV format, where you can use it for offline reports or any specific market requirements. Happy scouting.